Guys, welcome. So today we are going to sharpen a knife with a sharpening stone. So this is an 8-inch knife that I have here, the top to the heel. We are going to sharpen it all, and this is the sharpening stone that we have got here. You can see there are 2 layers to it. Okay, so 2 layers. So one is for the coarse side, one is for the finer side. We are going to use it both. So first take a damp cloth and place the stone right on it. Then you take your knife. Okay, so this is how you hold it. 2 fingers on either side of the blade. There you go, 2 fingers on either side of the blade, and the remaining 3 fingers on the handle. So you have to slide it up and then slide it down, slide it up and slide it down. So while you slide it, okay, you have to cover the whole knife from top to heel, from tip to heel. Okay, and while doing it, from heel to tip, tip to heel, just like this. You can go 10 counts tip to heel, and then the other side. So you can hold it at a 45-degree angle from the stone, and just give it a gentle press, not too hard, not too soft, a gentle press. So then you take it back again, and that's the heel to the tip, heel to the tip, heel to the tip. So you see I'm covering the whole blade from tip to heel. So that's how you sharpen the knife. You can first do one side, then the other side. If you're comfortable, you can do both simultaneously. See, and you get that complete blade. That's the tip to the heel is entirely being used over here. So tip to heel. So just for your viewing purpose, you can see how clearly it goes from the heel to the tip, from the heel to the tip, and you drag it down at a 45-degree angle. So you can feel the blade right here by just scratching along the edges. Do not do this until you know that you are professional enough. Okay, you check the blade, where is it? So I divide my blade in 3 parts accordingly, just to know the top half, 1/3, the middle, and then the end. So that gives me an idea where I need to sharpen my blade more. Then I do the 3 parts. That's the middle part, and that's the top part. That gives you an idea of how sharp your blade is at which point of the knife. So you get a complete idea. Okay, the top part, the middle part, and the bottom part. So I'll just give it a little bit more on the top side. When you feel it's done, you can drag the whole knife and give it the finishing touches again. So let's wash this now, so we can take off the extra grub that is there. And wipe it a little. Now for the other side, we'll just flip it over, and this will give us a more finer touch. Okay, so you can do the same motion again, tip to heel, tip to heel, tip to heel. You can do it on one side and then you can switch to the other side, just like this. Okay, so we'll just clean it off, and as you can see, we have got a nice and fine sharpness on the knife, or no, the complete blade. We'll just wash it once, and there we go. We've got a nice and sharp blade to use. Look at that, nice and sharp. So this is Chef Vandal, and thank you for watching the video with us, and I hope you follow and subscribe and join us for more interesting videos in the future online. Thank you.